Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you yet another website where you can access multiple AI models directly in a single website. It provides you with free API keys. It's called as TruVerifAI, TRUVR. If you simply type this address in the browser, it's a new website. I'm just using it for past 4 weeks. And the interface looks something like this. You can sign in with your Google account. It has multiple AI models directly in a single website. So once you sign up, you will be redirected to the dashboard area, and it's very easy to you create the API key. It has this chat prompt, and you can see it has OpenAI, Anthropic, Google Gemini, Grok. All these AI models are there, and you have this chat prompt. From here, you simply ask whatever question that you want to ask. It will smartly select the best model for you. Let me just say build a image to PDF. So once you ask the question right here, it will create the application for you. It is getting responses from multiple AI models from here, and it will select the best response, the best answer. It's a really fantastic website. I'm using it for past 4 weeks, and it is giving me very good results. So a very good alternative to other websites where subscription costs are required, but here it is not that case. So you can see that it is now returning the response to you. You also have the option to export the answer, the response which is given you as JSON, HTML, Markdown, plain text. You can create a new project, new chat from here. So it can even do web search as well from here. It can even attach images as well. So these are three modes are there. So you can say so here you can ask any kind of question right here. It is providing you all the APIs for you. Directly, this is a playground section where you can have access to all these models for completely free. There is no limit to it, it's unlimited. From here, you can select all these models. So, as you can see, we are inside the free plan. You can see the billing section from here. So in the free plan, you get 50 credits whenever you sign up. So it provides you with this 50 credits, so you can try this platform out. It also has $12 plan, 100 credits it gives you. So definitely very good website. From here you specify how much usage that you have done. Now total credits is 49. So one credit cost one chat. So that's the thing about this website. Very transparent website, and you can see top 10 frameworks it has given me, citing different sources from the internet. It's given me the perfect answer. As you see, it has done the comparison. It has cited multiple websites from the internet and research, and then given me the answer, the top 10 frameworks of Node.js. So you can see that. So it's a very perfect website, very professional looking. API it provides you. Click on export. You can export this to a HTML file. So everything would be exported. As you see that everything is exported to an HTML file. You can directly save it. So really important, very professional looking website. It's this one, TruVerifAI website. Multiple AI models are present at a single website. So definitely check this website out. I think you can even create images, videos as well. So simply type the prompt and it will simply generate the images for you.